So Google Gemini is actually popular for its picture generation, but you could do so much more with this particular app. So for those that don't know, those that haven't heard, okay, let's show you what the Google Gemini app looks like before we delve into this video. Google Gemini. Also, sorry, just type Gemini and you have it. Gemini Code. So this is what it looks like. I have it already installed on my phone. Now, Google Gemini is Google's version of ChatGPT, but now it is smarter, more visual, and can do so much more writing, designing, summarizing, and connecting with your Google tools. Today, I'll show you 5 ways you can use these features to earn money daily straight from your phone. Honest for a moment. Most people want to make money online, but the truth is they're confused, overwhelmed, and don't know where to start. Everywhere you turn, somebody is shouting affiliate marketing, copywriting, blogging, YouTube. But nobody's teaching the beginner with just the phone, zero experience, and no confidence how to realistically earn money today. Not someday, but today. This is where Google Gemini changes the game. Now, Gemini is not magic. It won't put money in your account instantly, but what it will do is give you speed, clarity, ideas, and structure. Four things that people pay for every single day. Now, this guide breaks everything down so simply that even if you've never earned a single combo online, you will understand exactly what to do. Let's get into it. So the first on our list is you can start writing simple blog scripts people need every day. Now this is the easiest and fastest way to earn with Gemini. Why? Because people need blog style script more than you think. Who needs them? Motivational pages, pastors, coaches, WhatsApp broadcast pages, small businesses, page owners, YouTubers who need scripts, Facebook content creators. Most of them are too busy to write, but you have Gemini. Now here's the prompt. Write a several hundred word blog post about how Nigerians can save money on a low income. Make it simple, emotional, and beginner friendly with examples. Let Gemini generate it. You edit small things, you deliver the script. You can tell each script for as little as 10,000 naira or as high as 10,000 naira, depending on your audience. Do you know how many people need daily post? Thousands. This skill alone can fund your data, your upkeep, and even much more. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. And in the other prompt I did, it gave me a beautiful photo to back it up. Let's get into the next one. Number two, you can actually sell Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook caption to small businesses around you. Forget Fiverr, forget Upwork. You don't need them. You have businesses right in your neighborhood who need daily content. Now, hairstylists, makeup artists, small skincare brands, cafes, clothing vendors, photographers, bakers, caterers, they post every day, but writing captions drains them. Here's the advantage. Use the script. Create 14 Instagram captions for a small skincare brand. Make them light, engaging, relatable, and perfect for weekly posting. Now you have 2 week caption package, sell it for 5,000 naira to 12,000 naira. 5 clients alone weekly can give you 25k to 60k weekly. Let's move on to the next one. And number three, you can create WhatsApp status content packages, one of the fastest ways to earn daily. Let me tell you the truth. WhatsApp is one of the biggest content markets in Nigeria, but many people don't even realize that people running motivation pages, breakup relation pages, religion based pages, business advice pages, lifestyle packages, health and skincare pages post 30 to 60 WhatsApp status updates every single day. Do you know how stressful that is? You can create this post in minutes with Gemini. Here's the prompt. Write 40 short WhatsApp status code about discipline, growth, mindset, make them punchy, emotional, and one line each. Boom! Now you have a full 10-day or 30-day pack. You can post 30 posts for 1,500 naira. You can make money daily with the 60 posts for 2,500 naira, 100 posts for 5,000 naira. This is cool cash into your bank account now. What are you waiting for? Now, do you actually know you can use Gemini to discover training products you can sell? Now, many beginners want to start a business but don't know what to sell. Stop getting. Let Gemini research for you. The prompt is give me 10 trending products currently selling fast in Nigeria. Explain why each one is in high demand. Now, Gemini will give you demand, target audience, pricing ideas, marketing angles. Now, this helps you make smart decisions instead of copying random sellers. You can use this for mini importation, reselling, TikTok shop, Facebook marketplace. Trends equals profit, and Gemini is a good trend detector. And what did you say? So we can actually use Gemini to create content that will pay you in the future. My goodness. Now, even if you're not monetized yet, the content you create now can be monetized later. Gemini helps you create video ideas, write hooks, write scripts, plan content calendars, online series, build storytelling posts, create engaging descriptions. Now, the prompt is generate run a short form finance video idea for beginners, make them practical, simple, and curiosity driven. Now you have enough content for 1 month. With consistency, you build followers, trust, engagement, digital presence. Now this leads to monetization, sponsorship, brand deals, affiliate income, digital products. Now Gemini helps you grow faster than people doing everything manually. Now the truth no one tells you as a beginner. Before you rush up, let me be real with you. Gemini will not pay you. It won't deposit the money into your account. But what Gemini will do is something even more powerful. It will shorten your learning curve and multiply your output. People pay for speed, ideas, writing, captions, research, value, consistency. And those are exactly the things Gemini produces instantly. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to use the tool wisely and consistently. This is how beginners win. Now, if you've read this far, you're not ordinary. You're someone who truly, who's truly ready to start earning and building something real. So here's what I want you to do next. Pick one of the five methods above. Just one. Start today, not next week, not tomorrow, but today. Use the prompt, text them, save them, practice them. Message three people who might need the services. Offer to help. This is how income starts. Small actions that grow into something bigger. And if you want me to help you with the next step, I can create for you your personal pricing list, your free service package, and a ready-made WhatsApp advert, one-page flyer for your new digital service, a 30-day content plan, a list of beginner-friendly clients you can approach today. Just tell me, create my starter pack, and I'll build everything for you. You're closer than you think. See you in the next one. Bye.